we move to the number 4 programming challenge for chapter 5 is to try to simulate our deck of cards shuffling. So like this nice picture I put is shuffling our card means you should make that as a random order, so that you can start our card game. So if it's in the predefined order, it's not our expected. So every time you're shuffling the deck, we expect that you get our random these 52 cards, the orders. So that is the parts. Before we go to that, is I gave you our link here in the mind map is to define the shuffle, our function, so which we can leverage from random library. So this shuffle the function, or you can see that as a method, is an inbuilt method of the random module. Is used to shuffle a sequence list. So that means you need to transfer, send our list as the argument, and only one argument, and shuffling a list of object means changing the position of the element of the sequence using Python. So if you don't store your the original list, then that by default is will override your the list. So then let's have our let me see. So let me give you a quick demo. So here is the, let's go to Python. We only need to import random. So let's see, A is a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if maybe I put our B is equal to A, so B is another list. So if I made our just random dot shuffle B, so you can see now B is 4, 2, 1, 5, 3. So whenever you do another round shuffle, so you get another the order. But if I see here is if I put C is equal to random dot shuffle A. So let's see what happened. C is it's nothing. So you send this the shuffle, but it's not sent. Let's see the type C. So it's a non-type because your shuffle is not have force any return. It's just put. You can see A. A is not our shuffled order. So that means is you just need to ensure is before if you want have the your original this list still in your program, is you should assign this to another list, then send this list to shuffle, and then this list will be in the random order. Then you still have your original list in your the memory. So that is the way is I hope you need to first pay attention. So within our challenge is to write a program to simulate shuffling the deck. We assume it's 52 cards. To keep the implementation simple, is first let's try just the number. Then we will do this card class definition. We will define the two this property of cards. One is the suit, one is the rank, and through that we can combine those cards. We have 4 different suits, and from ace to king is 13 those cards, and we don't have we will ignore that those that magic the cards. So we only focus on these 52 within our program. So let's starting to do our first parts. So let me create our 0504 1, just the basic number. Oh, let's see, just shuffle numbers.py. So we're starting to build the base one. So the purpose demo the shuffle of one number list from 1 to 52. So first, let's have our shuffle and print. This shuffle and print. This function, we call that, and we will get a list. So that is our part, the first function we need. And if we want to run the shuffle, we need to import random. And then let's see here. So we need to send our list to shuffle and print. So let's create our own the main program. So let's build our list from 1 to 52. How to do that? So let's see the this number list. First is empty, and for I in range 1. So if we want to go to the 53, so we need to have 52, we need to go to the 53. So number list dot append I. So then let's see print number list. Let's see whether we get, oh, not. Oh, here, I should make that closed. Oh, what's the invalid symbol? The syntax, which is which line? Line 1. Do we have any? Oh, I haven't quit from Python. Okay, so I got it from 1 to 52. So that then what I can do is we just if I don't want to impact or destroy my number list, is I will put is number list to shuffle equal to number list. Then I will make this shuffle with number list to shuffle. So what here is quite simple. So just run the random dot shuffle with the list I got, and then is because it's, I already have that list, I just print this list. So now I should get 2 lists. So first list is order from 1 to 52. Second list is our shuffle. So every time you run your program, you get another shuffle. So because I didn't destroy my original list, I can still always to print my original list. For example, here, so if I still I print this one, so you can see you get 3 lists. Oh, it's my original list is already changed. So print a number list. Even if I put this to here, so this one, oh, is okay. So maybe that is our. So I need to create 2 duplicate list. Only that is I can't do this. So let's see here. Okay, so I should not touch that. That is also our interesting the notice you need to bear in mind is even I assign this the B to A or A to B and I shuffle B, but looks like it's also impact our original list. But this is interesting. So because let's say here import random and A is 1, 2, 3. If I put this B is A, B is 1, 2, 3. If I do the random shuffle B, so B now is 2, 3, 1. A is also 2, 3, 1. So that means is when we assign A to B is looks like unlike that point, the pointer like C. So you only assign B to the starting memory, the address of A. Then this B actually is not assigned our exact the new area to store. So when we change B, actually the B's value is still in the same memory, the location as A. So A is also changed. So the only way is if you want to keep your original list is like me is I need to create the two lists at the same time and make them duplicated. Or you the traverse A and assign all the numbers into from B to A. So that is the second part. But now is I create our two the exact same list. Then I can still keep one list as my base. So sometimes I think keep our baseline is are very good the requirements because people want to trace back on every step you are doing the shuffle. But in our deck of cards shuffling, that may not be so important. So that is the first we demo to you is how to make this numbering shuffle. So now let's go to our challenge is make the card because the card is not convenient. We just use number list from 1 to 52. For card is we should have those clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades, and with some card like 1, we don't call that 1, we call that ace. The 11 we call jack, 12 we call queen, something like that. So we need to treat card name as the string, not the number. But as long as they are the position in the list, we can do the shuffle. So let's make our second one. So let's starting from some base of this first one. So let's call this third, second. So shuffle deck of cards. Yeah, so we only do these 52 cards, but if you want to add those two additional special those cards, you can add that as well. So this one, I suppose is for now we can reuse most that, but print list is not our the direct things. So we import this and let's define our card class. The class is we should have initial with self and suit rank. So that means is if we want to construct our deck of cards, is we should define suit and rank, and then this self suits is equal to suit self rank is equal to rank. Then this we will not have those the 1 to 15, 52. So let's do this. So normally I try to ensure I don't have any additional this the indent. So I please ensure is keep every line you back to the correct one. And then let's do this initial card, initialize cards. Always we can see the deck. So from here we should define some the names. So suits is actually our list of the name. So one is the clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades. So it's these four type of suits. And what's the rank? Rank is we also give our string. So 1 is the ace, and we have 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, just be careful when you do this initialization, because all of your later operations will depend on the correct typing of your initialization. So when we come to 11 is we call jack, not 11, and 12 is queen, and last is 13, we call that king. So, and what we can do is these are the two lists, and how we can combine them and transfer these two here. So we just need to do the nested looping. So let's say we see we have our cards list is the empty, and we want to use this cards empty list to gradually install all the instance of card. So every instance of card should have the suit and the rank. Then this we now know is for suit in suits. So that is the level 1, and then for rank in ranks. So what we will do is we just send this this instance the definition. So card, we initialize this or instant this to is card. Ensure this are your class name, and we put is suit and rank. So we send these two elements. If you read the solution of authors in that PDF document, you may see the author doesn't have our indent here. So that may be the printing the issues. So then we can see is we append this new card instance to our cards list. Then we can print our card. Let's go to here. So just let me do the initial, the deck. Let's try to run that. Oh, what I get is I get our min card object. So that's good is because here is we have this card object. But if you want to print the card, the content, this is the class. You need to use card with the property, so rank. So then if I now go to here, so these are ordering card deck now. So clubs A to king and diamond, heart, and the spades. So that's perfect. We are now create our 52 card deck suit. So what we will do is we will not only print, we will return. So who call my program here, the function here, I just return our cards. So when I do this, I go to our card list, and then this I can do the shuffle and the print. the cards. So if I do this, so cards, so that is our list. But here is I cannot simply do shuffle. So name card is not defined. So we should have our return. So here. Then let's print. So you can see it's printed, but we don't know is what's the this print the result. So we also need to use our for loop to print. So even for this the shuffle. So for card in list. So for card in list is we print. So we can use our certain kind of those. Let's see. 0. In 1. Then we put is the rank, card rank, card suit. Then this will be correct print. So now you can see 5 in spade, 7 in diamond, but completely they are shuffled. So let's see here. So if I put, so if we compare this first one is a 5, 7 spade diamond. The second one 10 club, 2 spades. So every time you are doing the shuffling of this one. So that is the perfect for our shuffling. So it's already good, but I give you the more challenges in this chapter. Actually, what we learned is sets and also the probability. So until now, using this. The program is we only use random. Actually, random also we learned. We should use random and random shuffle, but we haven't practiced sets. So we only use a list. So can we do some sets using sets in this program? And how that will be help to us to do this one. So what's you are thinking about on this part? This part is we use a nested two-level for loop. Try to combine the index 0 with index 0, index 1 with index 1, 0 with 1, 0 with 2, 0 with 4. What you find out that is this look to our Cartesian product of our two sets. If these suits and rank are not list and they are sets, if we make the suits times with rank, that's the result for that. So if we convert this a little bit to using sets, the method, let's see whether what that looks like. So let me create that 3. So it's not in the this solution. So we just try to practice this all by our own. So using set for construct deck. So if I initial this one, so if I want to use a set, I should is from simply import finite set. So then here is I put this as finite set. Here we should convert to that parentheses, not the the square brackets. So now I have our two sets. So if I just the time for them, so let me see. So if I see, I put the deck is equal to suits times ranks. And we have our cards is empty, and for, let's see, so let me see, so for item or its element in, now is let's do this deck. Then let's see whether we can save one loop, because that is every time you save some processing time, that will be the optimize a little bit for your program. Then let's think about this. What this looks like. So before we do that, let's demo this. So let me put this code. So I load this and I define this. Define second. And then make deck equal to there. So let's see deck. Deck is the product set. So deck is another set, and the type of deck we can see is the class SymPy sets product set. So that means if I want to traverse of deck, so I can just use this one for loop, and every this the element. So let's see. So for element in deck. So let's see the print element. What we get? Oh, print. Okay. So you see, you get our so-called is our tuple. So every element is a tuple, and this tuple first is the what we see is the suit. Second is the rank, right? So that is our parts, but where is the ace? Ace is here. It's a diamond ace. So, but first is, yeah, you can see a little difference is, you remember size doesn't have the this the ordering, but that is not our the purpose is even we don't need to ensure is our initialization is ordered. So after you have one time of the games, your cards is already shuffled by last game. So always you just need to shuffle that again. So this is the difference. So if you want this, you want starting from our ordered deck, you should not define that as a set. So this is a way, but if I traverse from beginning to end, I will also traverse all these sets, the deck. So now I have this element. So I see the element with the 0 is the this suit, and element 1 will be the rank. So if I do this way, so let's see, so whether this is also, let me quit Python, also print our cards. So you can see here, so now is 10 in diamond, 2 in club, run again, 5 in club, 3 in diamond. So that is also can serve the exact same the purpose. So I just gave you this the two different way to implement this programming the challenge. If you read the author's the solution that the PDF paper, you can get the roughly is like this way, using the list to define our deck. And the number 3 is I added for you as our interest. We also use this finite set to make this program achieved. So Anyway, so I hope you can follow with me about this demo and also implement this the cars shuffle with your own and get the correct result. You can keep running that. For example, sometimes you want is I need to shuffle 3 times like this way. So then you can just make our the here with our 3 times shuffle. Then you get the correct results. So I hope you enjoy for this demo, and if you like my video, I would like that you can follow my channel so that you can get the notification for new videos I keep uploading, and also looking forward to hear from you if you have any comments or questions. So see you in the next and the last the challenge for this chapter. We will talk about the estimating the area of a circle. So that is our way back to this those kind of the area calculation parts. See you then. Bye.